Innovation in Science Pursuit for Inspired Research (INSPIRE) is one of the flagship programs of the Department of Science and Technology (DST) of the Government of India, in collaboration with the National Innovation Foundation (NIF), that aims to foster innovation among children studying in classes 6 to 10.
The INSPIRE Award is been instituted from the year 2010 onwards, and it is being conducted by the Department of Science and Technology, New Delhi, and the National Innovation Foundation, Gujarat. From the top 60 projects which have been selected at the national level, Telangana state has received 5 awards, and Dasari Ashok from ZPHS Goka Fasalwad, Vikarabad district has stood third in this competition. My hearty congratulations to Dasari Ashok and the other 4 members. They will inspire all the other students of the Telangana state, and next year we hope we bag many more awards.
Every year, students from Telangana compete to represent the state at the national level. The young and the talented representatives of Telangana have bagged many awards over the past several years. We proudly share success stories of this year's achievers. Dasari Ashok, a class 10 student of ZPHS Goka Fasalwad, earned laurels for the state by standing third in the national level exhibition and project competition. He developed a ceiling fan lifting tool that reduces physical strain of an electrician. ZPHS Goka Fasalwad has encouraged students to think critically and realize their potential to the fullest extent. The focused efforts of the headmaster and the instructors in providing students with a unique learning experience have transformed the way they view education. Ashok hails from a far-flung village, Goka Fasalwad, Daultabad Mandal in Vikarabad district, which did not even have proper transport access until the last few years. Ashok lives in this small house with his parents and brother. His parents are daily wage workers and face a tough time in earning their livelihood. The poor economic condition of his parents did not hinder Ashok's ability to think differently. I saw my friend, who is an electrician, and would lift the fan with one hand, which was a painful exercise. I decided to make a machine that would help him and started building it. Initially, it was intended to be very simple with just one stand and a ladder. When we found that it can be used for painting, plumbing and civil works, and eventually we brought it to the present shape. Ashok had never imagined that his little idea to help his friend would fetch him the laurels at the national level. His guide teacher Sri Shanta Kumar helped him to realize his dream and efficiently guided him in this project. This is what happens if the teacher and the students are well connected. Ashok has finally turned a simple machine into a multi-purpose utility. Ashok is just like any other kid, but an innovative thought that crossed his mind and a selfless wish to help his friend has ignited a sense of inquiry in him that led him to develop this project. Now Ashok is sharing his ideas with his fellow students, and no wonder he has become a role model for the next batch of students who have already started preparing for the next year's project. Ashok's experience is proving to be very motivating.
బాబు కొంచెం మంచిగా చదువుకున్నాము మాకు సంతోషమే దాన్ని బట్టి మేము ఇది చేస్తున్నాము సార్లు కూడా ఎంకరేజ్ చేసి మంచిగా చేసిండ్రు.
We are proud of our son who has been working very hard. His teachers are guiding him and encouraging him constantly. We want to see our son achieve great heights with the support of many people like you. Teachers have helped my brother very much, especially Shanta Kumar sir. We will be ever thankful to him. Teachers are telling that my brother would visit Japan, which would be a very great achievement for him. We are ready to do whatever that needs to be done that will place my brother in a great position. Ashok is now the star of his school, who is standing as a testimony of the fact that hard work always pays. A team from SCRT Telangana Department of Science has visited the school and felicitated Ashok and his guide teacher Shanta Kumar. Thrilled by the success, the guide teacher could not hide his emotions. This journey of achieving third place in the National Inspire Awards would always remain special in my career. Ever since Ashok has shared this idea, he did not rest at all. He had worked on the project even on holidays. I am fortunate to be his guide teacher. The proud headmaster shares his feeling. All the credit goes to Ashok and the guide teacher Sri Shanta Kumar. With the limited resources we have here, the guide teacher is able to get this great achievement. He is very much devoted towards his profession and always keep the students updated with the new things happening around. All the staff members in the school always work as a team. Four other students from Telangana have featured in the top 60 apart from Ashok. Jummadi Anjanna, Government AHS Malkepalli, Kasipet Mandal, Manchiryal district, has made it in the top 60 with his extremely simple but very useful feeding chamber. This simple device has only two components, an umbrella and a cloth. When a mother is out of home and had to feed her baby, she often finds it uncomfortable in the public. Anjanna's feeding chamber addresses this problem. A chamber can be made attaching a cloth around an umbrella, creating a small private space under the umbrella so that her baby can be fed. B. Bhumika of ZPHS Kansanpalli, Andol Mandal, Sangareddy district gave a solution for the problem most women face, which has placed her in the top 60. She has developed a low-cost woman-friendly toilet which she named the Pink Loo. This is simple device and can be installed anywhere and keep women away from most of the infections that are caused due to unhygienic toilets. V. Srihita Reddy of All4s High School, Karimnagar district has entered into the top 60 list of young scientists with her brilliant innovation pedal-powered multi-purpose machine. She has integrated household utilities like grinder, washing machine, mobile charger and wood cutter to a pedal chain shaft system. When the pedal is rotated, all these machines work. This is a kind of extended version of an exercising cycle, which is helpful for doing workouts as well. Innovations happen when the difficulties are understood. Uday Kiran Talluri of Balabharati Vidyalayam, Tallada Mandal, Khammam district was deeply concerned with the labourers as they face great problem when they compress chilli using their feet while filling them into the bags. Uday Kiran has developed this machine which works on the principle of rack and pinion that helps them to fill the chilli bags with very little effort.
On behalf of the Department of Mathematics and Sciences, SCRT Telangana State, I congratulate the Inspire Achievers B. Ashok, B. Bhumika, V. Srihita, D. Anjana and T. Uday Kumar for exhibiting their extraordinary achievement and earning themselves place in the top 60 of Inspire awards at the national level. I congratulate the guide teachers and also to the students who were nominated for the competition. I hope more number of top positions will be achieved by the students of Telangana State in future.